Hi, first grade. I have a fun Pete the Cat book to share with you called Pete the Cat, Too Cool for School. And I like this book because it has lots of ooh words in it. I see three. Too cool for school. When you have two O's put together, it makes the ooh sound. And there are long ooh sounds like too, and short ooh sounds like cook. The sound stops or the sound keeps going. All right, let's see if we can listen for all of the ooh words in this book. Pete the Cat, too cool for school. There are three words right there. Pete wants to look. Ooh, look. That's an O-O word, cool. He asks everyone, what should I wear? Wear your yellow shirt, his mom says. It's my favorite. So Pete does. Wear your red shirt, Pete's friend Marty says. It's my favorite. So Pete does. Wear your blue shirt, Pete's brother Bob says. It's my favorite. So Pete does. Wear your long pants, Pete's teacher says. They're my favorite. So Pete does. Wear your shorts with the fish, Pete's friend Callie says. They're my favorite. So Pete does. Wear your polka dot socks, the bus driver says. They're my favorite. So Pete does. Wear the cowboy boots. Boots. Ooh. Grumpy Toad says. They're my favorite. So Pete does. Wear the tie with the stripes, Emma says. It's my favorite. So Pete does. Wear your baseball hat, his coach says. It's my favorite. So Pete does. Pete puts on all the clothes. Does he look cool? Look cool. Do you think? Does Pete look cool? No, Pete looks silly. He also feels very hot. He goes home. He changes his clothes. He puts on his favorite shirt. He puts on his favorite pants. He puts on his favorite socks. He puts on his favorite shoes. He puts on his favorite sunglasses. Pete says, now I look cool. We kind of learned a lesson in this story that you can wear what you think. If you want to be cool, just be you. Not only did we hear some ooh words like cool, but we learned a lesson. If you want to be cool, wear things that you enjoy or do things that you enjoy. You don't have to listen to other people about what's cool and what's not. Thanks for reading with me, first grade. Goodbye.